Hello everybody, welcome to our channel School at Home 2121. In this video, we are going to bring to your attention something you may have never heard of. Have you ever thought who would win in a fight between anacondas and pythons? Well, they are both very long, powerful snakes that are use ambushing and constricting to hurt their prey, but they have no venom. However, they are both very different from one another. Let's take a closer look at these two snakes. When it comes to size, anacondas are generally heavier and bulkier than pythons. The green anaconda in particular is known for its massive size and can reach length of over 20 feet, that is 6 meters. While pythons can also grow to impressive lengths, they are generally not as heavy as anacondas are. The reticulated python is often considered the longest snake species. Habitat. Anacondas are primarily aquatic and are commonly found in swamps, marshes, and slow-moving rivers. They are excellent swimmers and are adapted to life in water. Pythons are more diverse in their habitat. While some species like the Burmese python are semi-aquatic, others may be found in a variety of environments including grasslands, forests, and rocky areas. Speed and movement. Generally, snakes are not known for their speed, and they often rely on ambushes to catch prey. The anaconda is slightly faster on land, racing up to 5 miles per hour on land. In the water, where they spend most of the time, they can swim up to 10 miles per hour. Python can reach a maximum speed on land of up to 1 miles per hour as it slithers along, and it can maintain about the same speed in the water. Some pythons like the reticulated python can swim, but others do not swim much. So in this way, anaconda gets a slight advantage when it comes to speed and movement. Squeeze power and biting force. Both the reticulated python and the green anaconda are constrictors. They use similar means to attack and hurt their prey, that is, squeezing. Anacondas have a squeezing force that measures 90 pounds per square inch, putting a lot more pressure on their foes than pythons. On the other hand, the python squeezing force is up to 14 pounds per square meter, and that is enough to hurt human beings. So in this way also, the anaconda gets the edge of power and biting force as well. Offensive capabilities. The anaconda does the exact same thing, but it has more crushing force to put an end to the fight. The python is built to capture and eat prey. They have nearly 100 teeth. They deliver a powerful bite, but it's not used to hurt the enemy much. It is used to latch onto them and begin wrapping up their foe and squeezing them to hurt. The offensive capability of these two creatures are similar, but the anaconda is much stronger and gets the advantage here as well. So if the two snakes go in fight against each other, chances are anaconda would win because of its bite force, immense weight, and crushing power. If you like this information, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel School at Home 2121. Thank you.